Okay, so welcome again. This is lesson 7 in course C, creating art with code. Don't forget, these courses A, B, C, even up to D are giving you the foundations of programming. After these courses, then we'll take you with more advanced. By the time you understand these principles, you can unleash your creativity, you can build things by yourself. So it's important that you understand these lessons properly. Now, this particular lesson just wants to explore your creativity. So you are an artist or you want to be able to draw, you don't have to draw with your fingers. Do you know you can draw with code? Yes, that's what I'm going to show you now. This course, this lesson shows you how you can draw with code. And here you have different blocks of code. Each code does something. So this is your artist. He's going to follow every instruction you give. If I say move forward by 100 pixels, for example, see what the artist is going to do. He's going to move forward by 100 pixels. If I say, okay, I want to draw a box, remember you've done the turn left, turn right. Now, turn right by 90 degrees is the equivalent of just turning all the way to your right. So if I say turn to your right 90 degrees and move forward again, now look at what it does. So he goes forward, turns right, and goes forward again. Okay? Now, what if I want to draw a complete square? What do I need to do? I need to turn right 90 degrees again. Then I move forward 100 pixels. I turn right 90 degrees again. I move forward 100 pixels. Let's see. Is my box complete? Yeah. You get that? So you can draw anything you want to draw. What if I change the degrees of turning? You can see each time it shows you how far it turns. So what happens if I change this to 45 degrees and I change this to 45 degrees and I change this to 45 degrees? Let's just see. Just explore. See? Ah, you see this? So we can draw other shapes just by determining the degree of turning. At the same time, I can choose to set my color. I want my box, my artist, to draw in red. So look at this. He draws in red. Okay, what if I want him to change to a random color after every line? So I can just come here, after turning, change to a random color, after turning. So for every move he wants to make, we use a random color. So it chooses the color by itself. So look at this. Are you having fun? It gets more creative, right? But at the same time, instead of doing all of this turn left, move forward, turn left, move forward, we can equally use a loop. Now let's look at this. What if I say repeat this? So move forward, turn, let's still use 45 degrees, but now let's not say 100 pixels, let's go 50 pixels. The pixels determine the length of the line the artist is going to draw. So let's trash all of this. Repeat 4 times. Okay, I say repeat, you know what, repeat this 6 times. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. If I wanted to complete this polygon, I need to go 2 more times. I could just say make it 8 times, so it's going to complete a full polygon for me. Good. Now how do I add a little more creativity to it? Set color to random for every step, so as it repeats it randomizes the color collection, so it's going to give me a multicolored polygon. Okay, so that's the summary of how this lesson works. But of course, to help you understand it, let's take a few activities, and there are lessons and activities tidied up for you. So let's see how those ones run. Now you're given an instruction. Let's make a cage for my pet monster. Drag the blocks to the on the screen to have the artist draw over the gray lines in the picture. Okay, so here what are we saying? We want the artist to complete the drawing for this cage. Of course, you already know that we've done that. They say each line is 100 pixels long, so we need him to go this way and this way. So what do? Move forward. What next? Turn right. Correct. And that's a 90-degree turn. and move forward again. Quite simple, of course. That's all. You see that? Oh, now this spaceship needs a window. So here we have a spaceship. Wow, that's interesting. That means some you could draw a spaceship with code. I think you should try that out later. Anyway, we need to have a window here. So what do we need? We want to draw four corners. Of course, you know what to do. We've done it before. So let me just do this for you. Move forward, turn right. I mean, we just need to do that. How many times? Four times. I think just four times. And we have a box. Fantastic. Okay, so finish up the lesson, create fantastic, beautiful pieces of code. Don't let anything affect your imagination. Just create your imagination, or imagine anything and create it. Now you are to draw a triangle. I won't do that for you, but a simple trick here, you're turning 100 degrees on the outer angles. That's the little trick I want to give you on that. So go ahead and try it out. Have fun.